Good morning, everyone. Well, look where my little buddy ended up in the strawberry patch. He can eat all he wants. Come on. Come on. Good morning, everybody. Well, today we are going to make some Christmas wreaths. Now, what you're going to need, which truthfully you could about do it for free, is I went to the Dollar Tree and got wire for $1. And I do have a huge magnolia tree in my yard, and a lot of them were growing so low that I would actually almost hang myself with them. So I decided to cut some of the limbs and start with magnolia wreath. And you can do this with pine, hemlock, pretty much anything you want. And the magnolia lasts. This will last for months. The green and the brown on the back, the velvet look, and this will stay green all through the season. So if you make it a month ahead of time, your wreath will be extremely green through the whole season. So we're going to get started, and the way we're going to do this is we're going to wire it as we go. And what you'll need is your green wreath. I've got a pair of scissors and different size wires, which I'm not sure which ones I will need, but I've got the heavier ones for the bigger stems, and right here, and the smaller for the smaller stems to hook together. So we'll get started on it, and let's get going. Okay, how I'm going to start this is I'm taking 2 limbs and I'm sticking the ends together and scooting them up beside each other, and on a small edge I'm going to take the wire, and I am just going to start wrapping so it holds it. And I'm going to wrap it more than once or twice. I'm going to wrap it 2 or 3 times on different ends. And cut it and wrap it up at the top. Kind of like a bread wrapper. Okay, and we got our first circle going on. See? Then we'll get another limb. Okay. That one's twisted on. Take a twist. Okay, as we are working on our wreath, we are slowly going toward the top. And then we'll fill it in once we get the circle completely done. And cut your wire off. Okay. We got one more to go around the top, see? Alright guys, here's one of the wreaths. How does that look? And I haven't got the red bow on yet, but yeah, he's going to be beautiful. Okay, there is our wreath. Now I'm going to add more to it to give it more greenery. There you go. We are starting on the second wreath. All right, everybody, I'm going to show you my wreaths after. And there's one, and I made some little greenery for the porch. And there's my second one. And there's my other greenery. So, and then Kitty! Here comes Mountain Lion. Kitty, Kitty! Mountain Lion! Kitty! Come on. Kitty, Kitty! There's Jakey. Moses, Moses, Moses. Kitty! Come on, Mountain Lion. Come on. We're having a party. We're having a party. Come on, Mountain Lion. Kitty. Come on. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed my little DIY with my wreath and my little greenery for the porches. And basically, you can use this with any greenery. I used it with the magnolia bush or tree, and you can use it with any green wreath. These just last a lot longer, and they're just plastic and they don't stick you like, but they're real. But I hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you back at the farm. All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, let's go put the chickens up.